My name is Hannah Carter. I'm an American who grew up internationally. I'm a librarian at an international school in Woohan. This is my 5th year living and working in China.
I've grown up drinking tea, and I've always liked tea. And since coming to China, I've learned more and more about tea. Tea is not just a beverage to me. Tea is life. And now I want to discover deeper depths of tea flavors. The unique climate and geographical features of the region make Entra an important tea-producing area in China, and spring is the busiest time for tea planters every year. It was my first time picking tea, and it was so much fun.
就这样，在这一颗
We want them to be the little straight one inside the curled up one.
对
Yeah. Like this.
Tea picking is a lot harder than I thought it would be. It's like a treasure hunt, looking for the perfect leaf and the bud furled together.
All right, we've picked a bunch, and it was harder work than I thought, but it smells amazing, and now I'm really excited to go and learn how to take what we've picked and turn it into the tea that we can drink, learning from the masters. Let's go. Here we are in a tea production place where they actually make tea the traditional way. And with me here is Yang Lao Shi, who is a tea expert.
There are 9 steps in the traditional tea making method that I learned.
And it's actually kind of a lot of fun. It feels like playing, but it's actually work.
According to Mr. Yang, making tea is like playing Tai Chi. It does take a lot of effort because you actually have to put muscle into it. From a tree leaf to the perfect state of tea, you have to go through a lot of pain and hardship. It feels like a labor of love, a gift from the people who've been working to make it. It's the treasure of China.
I'm tired, but I'm actually really proud of what we did today. I'm really happy with this. This is the end product of the work that we did today. It's beautiful, it looks like it should. And next, I'm looking forward to drinking the tea in the traditional way. I could smell the tea around me, and I was drinking the tea, and it was beautiful, and you could hear the birds. It was so nice.
The tea products here can be seen everywhere in China. Hundreds of years ago, the brick tea made in Chirbi linked Asia and Europe. Many tea products were exported to England, Russia, and Germany via the tea road.
Since the Chinese have consumed tea for thousands of years, there's a breadth and a depth to their tea. It has a taste of hospitality. It tastes like a culmination of the long history that it has taken for them to perfect this process. And they're still doing research to see how they can use science to make things even better. It's also a shared taste. It's a great way to start conversations and exchange cultures. And all of these are wrapped up in one beautiful little cup.